everyone, my name is Karlie from CRUKING. Today we are very honored to visit the factory Zhongcai Jianke, which is specialized in research and development, sales, production in construction machines such as brick or block forming machine, roof tire forming machine, or correct mixer. Today I will introduce the model QTY for 5533. This machine with a high vibrating frequency and strong vibrating force to ensure that the strength of the finished block is strong enough to meet the international standard and industry standard. Next, let's focus on his main specification. The cycle time of this machine is about 20 to 25 seconds, and the power is about 26.4 kilowatt, and the weight is 3,500 kilograms. For a standard block, the capacity is 25,000 pieces per hour. For the whole block, the capacity is 9,000 pieces per hour. For the paving block, the capacity is 13 pieces per hour. In short, if you need block forming machine, this brand is a good choice with high capacity and right price. More requirements or information, you can connect with me. Thank you for watching.